In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to customize your dashboard layout in Impact.com. To get started, open Google Chrome and sign in to your Impact.com account. Once you're logged in, take a moment to look at the main dashboard area because this is the space you'll be organizing. Customizing your dashboard can make a big difference in how quickly you find important information, especially if you use the platform regularly and want your most useful widgets exactly where you need them. Next, look over to the left-hand sidebar. At the very bottom left, you'll find the settings icon, which looks like a gear. Go ahead and click that to open your settings options. This is where you can adjust several parts of your account experience, and for this task, we'll be focusing specifically on the dashboard setup. From the settings menu, select dashboard layout. This will take you to the area where you can manage how your dashboard is arranged. If you've never adjusted it before, you'll likely see the default widget layout. These widgets are the boxes or sections that display different types of information on your dashboard. Now you can start rearranging your view. Click and hold any widget you want to move, then drag it to a new position on the page and drop it where you want it to appear. As you do this, pay attention to how the layout shifts to make space. This lets you create a dashboard that matches your workflow. For example, you may want to place the most frequently checked widgets near the top so they're easier to see right away. Move things around until the layout feels organized and convenient for the way you work. Take your time during this step. A well-arranged dashboard can help improve efficiency and reduce the need to search through information every time you log in. If something doesn't look right, simply drag the widget again until it's in a better spot. Once you're happy with the new arrangement, go to the top right corner of the page and click Save Changes. This is an important final step because without saving, your new layout may not be kept. After you save, your updated dashboard layout should be applied, and the next time you access your dashboard, it should appear in the order you set. That's it. You've successfully customized your Impact.com dashboard layout in Chrome.